Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing here's my boxy charm. It's got a stupid sticker on it, but this is January's boxy charm. So if you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for joining us again. If you want to see what I got in January's boxy charm, and if I liked it, or if I like what's in here, just keep watching. So it's boxy and chill. That's what it looks like there. So obviously it's January and it's the start of a new year, so hopefully they smash this out of the park, but we shall see. Yeah, okay, so the first thing I see is this here, and this is the Briogeo. This is the Briogeo Reparative Leave-In Conditioner Spray. It's a spray, and this is a 20-ounce spray, and it retails for $12. So this is a repeat. I've already gotten one of these. Literally, it's sitting over in my section of stuff where I'm actually getting rid of it. I do not like leave-in sprays. It just isn't good for all hair types, which this is not a universal product, which kind of sucks because, yes, it says it's a conditioning and a leave-in conditioner, but it weighs hair down. So if you have thin hair or curly hair that is not very thick and it gets limp really fast, this is too heavy for it. So unfortunately, this is a second one of these that I don't even like the first one. January's not looking up so good. Alrighty, so let's look at this. So, okay, this is an ofra. Oh, they have a new packaging. So this is an ofra lipstick, long-lasting lipstick, and this is in Miami Fever. It's kind of an interesting brownie color. This is what the doe foot applicator looks like. I'm just going to do a swatch. I like the packaging. That is the color. It kind of looks like a light brick color, so I don't know if that's something that I could wear. It is something that I do not own, which is nice. I don't have anything that actually looks like that. So these retail for $20, so that's pretty good. I will try it out though. It's not ugly or anything. It's just, it probably won't look that great on my skin tone, but I will definitely try it because I love ofra. And then up next is this here, and there were a few variations. So I have variation 2. So that comes with the $1 billion brow pencil. And this is in the universal, this is a universal brow pencil as well. So that means, I guess, the color is universal, and it comes with a spoolie, which I really like when they do come with spoolies. And let's see what the color looks like. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that might be numbered. So that is what the color looks like. This is very light. It's almost like a taupey color. I know with brow products it's really hard to put something in a box like this that will match everybody because everybody is different, but that is the color that it is. That is definitely too light for me. So I've got darker hair, darker eyebrows, so that is definitely very, very much too light. This is an $18 eyebrow pencil. It says it slides without tugging on your brows or pulling at your skin. It says that it is the perfect color for most browns and skin tones. Yeah, that is definitely not something that matches my skin tone. That is number 2 of the January boxy charm that I'm not too impressed with. Alright, next up is, I'm sure everyone's heard about these. This is definitely something I'm excited for. They're 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks, and I'm really excited for these. So this is a $24 mask. I don't know if it's $24 each or if it's $24 for the both of them. I do know Tatcha is extremely high priced for skincare stuff that I guess it's worth it if it's something that you use regularly and you love it and you can afford it, but I only own a small package of stuff from Tatcha, so these are really nice to get in the boxy charm. And then the last thing in here is the Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3. So I got number 3. This is an eyeshadow palette from Tarte. Ooh, okay, perfect. So this retails for $36, and this is number 3, so this is the one I got. Looks like there's peacock feathers on it. I actually do not own this one, which I'm very excited about. This is the one that I got here. This is what it looks like. I like the fact that there's a few darker colors in here. A lot of these colors are, none of them are matte. I don't think any of them are matte. Okay, there's one matte color in here. The rest of them are foiled or whatever you want to call them. I am really excited for some of these. These would be really cute colors for doing a nice look. Okay, so I swatched this one, and this one, and those are the colors. I really like these ones. Those are super cute. I might end up using these for highlighters instead of eyeshadows. They're gorgeous, so that I like. I own quite a few Tarte eyeshadow palettes. We've gotten a Tarte eyeshadow palette before in BoxyCharm, and luckily I didn't get one that I owned already. There's been a few things that I have gotten that I've already owned. I'm excited that I got this one because this is one of the ones of the variations that I didn't own. There were 3 variations, and I think one of them I did own, so I'm happy that I got this one. Okay, so for everything in this month's BoxyCharm, it was $111 or $110, so that's not too bad. And that was, I totaled the 2 of the Tatcha masks together instead of one at $24, so I think that's right. I'm not sure. Of the 6 technically products that we got in the BoxyCharm, I'm really excited for the Tatcha masks. And this, I'm very excited for. This, I'm going to give it a go. I'm not super upset about this one, but this is definitely a weird color, so I'm not sure. I'm kind of sitting on the fence about that one. And then as for the eyebrow and this stuff, I will try the eyebrow stuff. I doubt it's going to work because it's really, really light. And then I'm definitely going to be giving this away. Well, that was everything in this month's BoxyCharm. If you guys want to see a video on me using like the eyeshadow palette or anything, leave me a comment in the comments below and I'll make a video for you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!